Hello guys, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel and our weekly forex forecast. Okay, so this is the first video for this year. So I want to wish you happy new year and happy profitable trading week, profitable trading month, and a profitable trading year. Okay, irrespective of where you are watching the channel or following the channel from. Okay, so I want to say congratulations. Okay, because this year is going to be exceptional. Yes, for me it's going to be exceptional, and I have done everything humanly possible to make sure I carried everybody along this year. So it now left on you and your determination, okay, to become a profitable trader this year. Guys, I promise you I have put everything in place. Okay, this year is going to be highly exceptional. As when I say highly exceptional, it's going to be a massive profitable trading year. Okay, so just make sure you put in effort. Okay, just make sure you are consistent following this channel. Also invite your friends. Okay, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so that when other good things comes up, I mean the other good videos comes up, then you will be notified. Okay, so please, I have prepared on my own side, I have done my best. So whatsoever that remains now will depend on you and how serious you are. Okay, I want you to know that I giving out things free is not just because I just feel like doing it. No, there is something good that is attached to it. Yes, I have not said this before, but I'm saying it for the first time. The secret of my success depends on giving out free information. And why am I saying this to you is because I want you to invite your friends. Yes, when I say invite your friends, it's not just about this channel, but whatever you can give out without looking back, without expecting anything, please do it. I promise you it's going to come back to you in a very big form. And the way it's going to come back to you, you won't know. It may not even come through that same method, as in, it may not be through Forex. Yes, I know what I'm saying. This is my experience. Okay. Yes. So what if you think that you are benefiting one or two things from here? Please just also share it with your friends. It's very, very important. It will always come back to you. That is the truth. I just don't want to go deeper than this. Let me just leave it this way. Okay. So this year we have started. Okay, we have started our weekly analysis. As I said earlier, I have done my best, but the rest would not depend on how serious you are. Okay, so we have USDJPY, we have a GDP chart, we also have a EURCAD for this first week. Okay, yes. So, and I promise you, just be consistent, you will see the difference. Yes, you will see the difference. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, then share the video with your friends. Okay, invite them to follow the channel so that they can benefit what you are also benefiting. Very, very important. We are trying to make the world a better place for everyone. If not, I think I would have been greedy by keeping all my information all by myself. Yes. Alright guys. This is a USD JPY on daily. Okay, so what are we seeing happening on the chart right now? The chart is uptrending. Okay, at the same time it's trying to tell us that it may likely to reverse. Okay, so the analysis will tell us more about what the market want to do. Okay, so I'm using my trend line, okay, to see the direction, the clear direction of the market. As you can see, this is an uptrend, and at the same time telling us that the market has broke, okay, below. So maybe we may likely to look for a retest, okay, but let's see what is happening here. Okay, if it's going to give us a retest for us to sell, or it will continue to buy. Please, there is something I always say: what we are doing here is what, or the message that the market is trying to tell us. Okay, we are trying to interpret or understand the language that the market is speaking to us. So meaning that we can do all these things thinking that okay, the market will go in our favor, but at the same time market will choose to do whatever it wants to do. Okay, so please don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. Okay, we are only trying to see what the market is saying. We are trying to follow what the market is saying. So mainly looking at what we have here, we have these two levels here, and what I am seeing from this analysis is that this market will likely to come up here. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Come up here, retest, then by then it must have formed header and shoulder. I don't know where the market may reverse, because I believe that it's going to reverse from what I am analyzing. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing happening. Okay, so what I'm seeing happening. So whatever else that the market will do, what matters here is that we have seen what the market is telling us. So mainly looking at this analysis, we are seeing the first header and shoulder here, and we are also seeing the second header and shoulder here, meaning that the maximum of this market, or the trend, or the retest may likely to form what, a double top here. So at the same time I will also love to put this here. Okay, so in these three levels is what is where we are expecting the market to reverse. But personally, from the long week here, is telling us that the market will break above this very particular first resistance zone. So I'm expecting between the second and the third to sell. Yes, that is what I'm seeing from this very particular word, USDJPY. Okay, so I think this analysis is done and is clear from my own side. Okay, if you have seen anything outside what I've just done, 100% you are correct, because we all cannot see things the same. Yes, this is how I understand it, this is how I have seen it, and this is how I believe that it will happen. So I don't know what you are seeing outside what I have analyzed. Okay, so let's keep it very simple, and let's keep trusting that the market will work out well. Okay, so we move right now, we move to GBP chart. Okay, so let's see what's on the GBP chart. Okay, so this is a GBP chart. You can see the market is down trading. Okay, so we want to see exactly what the market is telling us to do. Okay, so from the trend line, the market is trending here, and at the same time I'm seeing a continuation pattern, but where the market will reverse is what I don't really, or I can't give 100% account, but from my understanding and the view of this market, I'm sure that the market will come down to do what, retest this point. Okay, Yes, I'm sure that we will test this point and then do what? Reverse from here and break above. This is exactly what I'm seeing happening here. I don't know what you are seeing, but I'm sure of what I'm doing right now, that the market will come down to this point. If you look at what is happening here, what you are going to see from this point is what? Another head and shoulder here too. Exactly, head and shoulder here. Okay, so that is what I personally is seeing happening in this very particular market right now. Please, right now, what I want you to wait for, okay, is that this market should come and retest this very particular trend line. Then you can sell from this trend line. Then look very carefully to know if the market will continue down to this point or it will continue, it will reverse. But personally, I am believing that the market will reverse. Okay, but if it doesn't reverse, please just why not wait for it to come down or come and retest this high again. Then you can sell whether it breaks below or it revises from this point. There is no problem. What matters, we have been able, if we can be able to uh, get some profit from this very particular analysis. Okay, that is what matters. Okay, so why I'm still believing that this market will still come down, maybe it will break or reverse, is that I'm seeing my harmonic scanner happening there. Okay, so let's see what is happening there. Okay, let's use this. This is what I'm seeing happening here. Okay, can you see that? So we're expecting this market to come back here and do what? Retest and then sell. Whether it sell 100% or maybe it's reversed from this point, it's all beautiful. Okay, so don't sell immediately. Personally, I cannot sell immediately because the market have already started selling, so I don't have to start pursuing the market, but I only want to wait for it to come and retest this point. So once it retests this point, then I will sell, and at the same time coming closer to this point it may break. That's why I say don't be carried away. I have said it before, don't be carried away, just wait. If it breaks above, you wait for a retest upon this trend line, then you buy. Yes. So what I am sharing with you is what is likely to happen. Any of this information is what is likely to happen. Okay. So that is it for uh, GBP chef. Okay. So you can see the market is uptrending. Okay. So you are not expecting much sell from this very particular before it break above. Okay. This is very very simple. Very very simple. Okay. So that is a GBP check. So I don't know. You can comment on the comment section if you have any different view or if there's anything you don't understand. Let me see how I can answer your question from the comment section. Okay. So this is GDP check. So let's quickly look at Euro card. Okay, Euro card here. Okay, so this is a Euro card. From what I'm seeing here, you can see the market is already working double bottom, sorry, head and shoulder reversal, head and shoulder here. So we are believing that this market will buy because there is also a rejection here. Okay, so what will be the confirmation? The only thing I'm seeing here, we also have a harmonic, okay, that is trying to happen here, that has already happened here. Not trying, it has already happened. So we want to see this market doing what? Buy any moment from here. But I'm going to delete this harmonics so that you can see the chart clearly, and then know what else the market is telling us. Okay, so I have seen that harmony preparing for buy, and the same time this is a continuation pattern. Okay, happening here, right here. It's a continuation pattern happening here. So we are expecting this market to break above and start buying. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So we want to see this market. I'll take it down to 4 hour for a clearer view. Okay. So this is 4 hour. So what else are we seeing here? We are seeing the market rejecting. So we want to see something like this. Let it come down to this very particular extreme end, meaning that it's working this trend line for the second time. Then we can do what? We can buy from somewhere here. Okay, we're gonna break above and then continue. That is what I've seen. Okay, so these are very simple analysis. Very simple analysis. There's nothing too complicated here. Very simple analysis. Okay, so this is we are expecting a continuation pattern. Okay, so just exercise patience. For me, I'm not selling anything. I just want to buy from somewhere here. Okay, I want to buy from somewhere here. Okay, so please always bear in mind, we are only trying to interpret what the market is saying, but at the same time market can do otherwise. But this is the first option for me based on my interpretation and what I have understood. Okay, so this is the very first uh, option for me. So I don't want to sell. When I say I don't want to sell, I will not sell. Okay, I want it to come down here. Okay, then I will start looking for buy. So once it come down to this point, what does it form inside here? It forms what? Double what? It forms double bottom. Okay, but selling is also an option if only you see reason to sell. Okay, and again, how many pips are you looking for? All these things are what you need to put in place. Okay, so no matter whatever it gives, maybe 20-30 pips, if you're okay with that, fine, there's nothing wrong. You can sell and hold it down to this point, then take your profit depending on how many pips you are looking for. Okay, so that is just it. I don't think that we have anything much again to look out for in this analysis. Okay, EURCAD here. All right, so if you have any questions, just as I said, please contact me in any platform that you are you are watching this very particular video. Okay, most especially here on YouTube. Comment, then let's know how I can answer your question. Okay, as I've said before, if there's anything you are seeing outside what I am seeing, well, it's all good, because the truth of it is that we all cannot see things the same. We see things differently. Okay, that is just the truth about it. We see things differently. Okay, so guys, congratulations once again for the first video. Okay, I believe it's going to be a profitable one, and I also wish you a profitable trading day, trading week, trading month, and trading year. Okay, let this very first analysis confirm this very particular year to be a better trading year or a profitable trading year. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. Okay, so hopefully you are believing something good to come out from this analysis. Okay, And then let's also expect the midweek review. Yeah, very very important. Midweek review, very 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 important. Midweek review is always on the Wednesday. Okay, Wednesdays of every week that we analyze the chart. How is it midweek helping us? How it's going to help us is that, okay, oh, I have missed out of a trade, or what the market has been doing from Monday to that very particular Wednesday. I am confused. Maybe the market is going to reverse. Then from there, we are going to look together. Okay, this market will continue, it will reverse, or it's coming to this point where it will reject. So whatever that will likely to happen in this very particular 3 PS, let us try and look into them on Wednesday. By this, it's going to help you to learn much faster. Okay, trust me when I said what I'm saying. I'm not just trying to make up something. There is always a point on what I'm saying. It's just meant for us to be consistent, following the channel, and then subscribe and turn on the notification for more updates, okay, more videos that will help us to understand how to trade properly. Okay, so thank you guys once again. Please enjoy your weekdays. Thank you guys.